Oh, somebody here with again?
Joshua.
Alright, you see tonight, he might come broke him record. I say if him go over 300 or go 350 or go 4 bills tonight, you better than Cephas. You how much? Come now, you how much? You how much? You level? Alright, watch it out. Want to keep up the ball. If you go pass over 350 tonight, keep up the ball, you better than Cephas. Are you level though? Alright, go through. Let me see you up now. No, brother, no, you can't tell me that, brother. Not even know how much the man reach. I told me that look a while ago, look where I'm not even know about. Chat, watch it, I want to tell me how much the man reach, you hear? Anytime him stop, want to tell me how much him reach. How much him reach, Tiny? How much him reach? What him reach? Remember, you know, how him look like him broke it, so don't give him a skill, do what you do. Keep up the ball, you. Keep up the ball. Keep up the ball, you. You're better than Cephas. Show them. Man, beat him record, yo.